record this triumphant victory, especially at a time where there is unrest in Bangladesh and there's a lot going on at home. So what does it mean to you guys personally to have won in Pakistan?
Yeah, really special moment for us, and we are really happy because the way everyone shows their character on this hot condition, really happy, and the way last 10-15 days we all practice, did all the right things during the practice of the field. So that's why we got the result, and during that break time, those who are playing on the test field, they prepare themselves on our country, on our pitches and everything. So that helped this condition. That's why we got the result.
Skipper, do you think Pakistan took it lightly and you read the pitch correctly?
Especially at a time where there is unrest in Bangladesh, there's a lot going on at home. So what does it mean to you guys personally?
I don't
to have
know,
won in
I
Pakistan?
think really special moment for us, and we are really happy. Pace bowling, because the way everyone shows their character. Last couple of years we are doing good with really seamers and along with the spinner. So I don't think 10-15 days all practice the pitch, but I think we bowled things. They also won the practice of the field really well, but our side we got the result, and during that break when they are playing on the test field, they prepare themselves on our country, on our pitches and everything. So that helped this condition. That's why we got the result.
What's your mind in 4 days that match is going to draw, but all of a sudden it collapse out of the game. What you say your camp about the first ever victory against Pakistan Test cricket?
Yeah, it's amazing feeling. First of all, and then we believe after when we came here in this in the morning, we know we can win this match because we still 94 ahead, and the pitch looks quite difficult, especially for the spinners, and with the seamers, ball is a little bit up and down. So we believe that we can if we bowl on right areas, we can beat this team, and that's what happened in this situation.
Say congratulations on the victory, first ever victory against Pakistan. So how you will take the next test? Next test is also very important for you. As usually happens, the team, visiting team, gets the first test and they usually go for a draw or say play some different cricket. But do you think you can also win the next test here?
Very important next match. I think this match finished. We really enjoy this moment. I think we have to prepare ourselves next match how we can win the match, and we all believe we can win the next match as well, and we believe that we can win. But it's a process. We are not think about win the match. We think about our process, how we going to play session by session. So it's very important. Stay calm and think about every single session.
Shanti, your confidence is definitely high, and I would like to ask you about Mushfiqur Rahim, his innings, then Litton Das and Mehdi. Everyone participated well and put down Pakistan.
Yes, I'm not give any credit individual performance. We all know how experienced Mushi is and doing all the right things every day. So he did his job. I'm really happy, and we expect for him to do something like this every match. But credit goes to, I think, all the batsmen, especially the openers, the way they handle new ball against this quality pace bowler. So I think it's fully team effort, and after that our bowling was excellent.
Captain, happy birthday and congratulations. How do you celebrate your birthday today?
Sorry, I didn't get it.
Happy birthday.
Oh, I'm not done with this? Oh, thank you. Thank you
very much.
Oh, I don't know. I think marriage knows.
This is Asghar Mubarak again in Islamabad. Congratulations, and how you describe this victory when the political situation is very bad in Bangladesh and people need this kind of a victory.
It's very important. I think last one month we had a really difficult situation. Still there are some problems there, but in Bangladesh we all support each other, and this win I think gives them a little bit smile on their face, and that's why we are very happy, and we try to do next match same thing like this. ফুলের বাইরে বাট সবাই আমরা জানি যে বাংলাদেশের মানুষ একজন এই টেস্টটা বৈষম্য আমাদের ফিল্ডিংটা যদি দেখেন পুরো একটা টিম এফোর্ট ছিল, এবং আমি অ্যাজ এ ক্যাপ্টেন হিসেবে যেটা সবসময় চিন্তা করি যে টিম হিসেবে যেন আমরা প্রত্যেকটা ম্যাচ ভালো খেলি, কখনো রেজাল্ট হবে কখনো হবে না, বাট আমরা যেন টিম হিসেবে খেলি, যে জিনিসটা আমার মনে হয় এই ম্যাচে একদমই আমরা সব প্রত্যেকটা বক্স ম্যাক্সিমাম বক্স আমরা ঠিক দিয়েছি। সো খুবই ভালো লাগছে।
আপনাকে অনেক সময় জিজ্ঞেস করা হয় যে সাকিবের ব্যাপারে, সাকিব খেলবে কিনা, সাকিবের কতটুকু পাবে, মানে
won by 10 wickets. WIC, right?
Yes, right?
Yeah.
congratulations.
Thank you. Let's give a point. Thank you, Shantu.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you. Inshallah.
चीज बात की है